Welcome back to our channel Prospecting Answers. Today, we have an intriguing question to explore. Why can we break an egg by striking it with another egg, and why doesn't both of them get broken? Let's dive into the science behind it. To unravel this egg-cellent mystery, we need to consider several key factors. One significant factor is the structural strength of the eggs themselves. You see, an egg's shell is not equally strong on all sides. The edge of an egg, where the head of the egg resides, is actually stronger compared to its sides. This is due to the way an egg is designed, with the head providing added support and protection for the delicate contents inside. When two eggs collide, the force and impact are typically concentrated on the sides of the eggs rather than their edges. This means that the stronger edge of one egg may withstand the force, while the weaker sides of the other egg may give way, resulting in it getting broken. Additionally, variations in shell thickness, quality, or any existing microcracks can further influence which egg breaks upon impact. These subtle differences can determine which egg is more prone to cracking, even when struck with a similar force. I hope you enjoyed this egg-citing exploration into the mystery of why only one egg breaks when struck against another. If you have any more questions or other captivating inquiries, share them with us in the comments below. Remember, the quest for knowledge is an endless adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And if you know someone who could benefit from this information, be sure to share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.